well, just took some awkward thumbnails, and we're gonna do another shot at an unboxing video. This is something for my new helmet here. We got the Cardo PACKTAlk Black Special Edition. I think this is gonna look really nice on the Simpson Ghost Bandit that I just got. Let's see what we got here. DMC, dynamic mesh, natural voice, Bluetooth. It's one of the major reasons why I go with the Cardo is the JBL drivers right here, 45mm speakers. Let's see what else we have. I covered dynamic mesh, natural voice. It's waterproof. Not all of these helmet communication devices are waterproof, so if that's important to you, Cardo might be the way to go. And 1 mile range, which from what I understand is pretty good. This has 13 hours battery life, 15 riders. This looks like a radio for FM radio. MP3. I guess I store MP3s on it? I'm not sure what that means. And GPS ×2. I don't know what that is either, but I'm sure it's in the manual. Let's unbox this and see what we got. Alright. Outer box here. So I got a little jammed up in shipping. That's no good. Hope everything inside is okay. Cardo box, nice show. Let's see, open. Oh yeah, look at that. Good presentation. Cool presentation right there. Got the unit right here. Little fold out box. This is a pretty sturdy unit. It's a little bit bigger than the Free Talk that I have on my other helmet. It's a little bit bigger. Kind of the buttons are all the same, sort of raised on the side here. And this little rolly thing, I believe, is under here on mine. Hopefully it functions the same. I'll have to read the manual. Let's see what else we got in here. Set that to the side. Let's see what else. Stickers, always a good one. This manual, okay, this one is like in German, French, and Italian. I will not be needing that one. This one is in English. Oh, okay, English. Here we go. This one is in Japanese, Spanish, and Chinese. Okay. Here's the manual. Or I think this is a quick start guide. Let me see. Yeah, pocket guide. Pocket guide. All the different functions in there. I like this. Let's see here. LED indicators. What do we got? Pairing your mobile device, phone, audio. You can share your audio, Bluetooth mode. Alright, auto scanning. It's like reading Egyptian hieroglyphics here. There we go. DMC, intercom grouping. I'm assuming DMC is the Cardo to Cardo only intercom, because then it talks about Cardo non-DMC intercom. Or maybe set a universal intercom, so that must be for everyone. Alright. Now you get private chat. You can switch to a private chat when you're in a group. One of my favorite things is this, the Hey Siri or OK Google options. I do that quite a bit to make phone calls, so I'm not looking at my device. Here we go. All the regulatory safety information, right? Can't have too many of those regulations. Installation guides in all different languages here. Alright, oh yeah, that's pretty complicated. Alright, I'm sure it'll be easier though once I get my helmet on. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what else we got. Open this up. And that's all empty, so we just got this little box of probably the needed speakers and microphones. Let's see what we got here. USB cable. Alright, and these are the speakers, and they're huge. I mean, like, look at, here's my hand. It's like fits in the palm of my hand. These are a good sized speaker. I think these are bigger than the ones on my Free Talk. actually. Here's the microphone right there, and they give you a couple different options. Here's the mounting bracket for your helmet. Here's another one right there. If you want to just slap it on the side. I think I'm gonna loop mine underneath like I did on my previous one. I really like that setup. Whole bunch of Velcro pads, and if you have a half helmet or a 3/4 helmet, they give you a mic for that one too, a boom mic. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and an alcohol pad to clean all your surfaces up. Alright, that's everything. That's all we got inside this box. This video will come after I do a vlog, so the helmet video won't be before this, 1 week before this, but it will be farther down in my channel, and you can see my new helmet. I'll see if I can do a video of me setting this up on my helmet. I don't know how it'll look because it's all inside. I'll figure out a way to rig up my camera to do that, or I might just skip it all together and just show it to you after it's all done. I'm not really good at the explaining of things. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the unboxing of the Cardo PACKTalk Black Special Edition. And yeah, this is what I use. JBL speakers. One of the big reasons why I got this was the speakers. I listen to music more than I communicate, and having good speakers was really important to me, so I went with the Cardo. Drop your comments down below if you have experience with the Cardo, with this Cardo or other devices, and what you like about them and what you don't like about them. Alright, that's all I got. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one. Alright, so this is the helmet setup now. You get the gold visor, GoPro up front with the media mod. I got mic adapter running down and in, and I'll get a video of in. This is the PACKTalk Black on the side, a little pop-up antenna, but I don't ride with that up unless I'm riding in a group. Alright, inside, let's go inside the helmet. Inside the helmet, you can see I have the microphone on some Velcro tape off to the side, and then that is the microphone right there for the Cardo. Alright. Got a little scuff mark on my helmet right here. I don't know what that is. Alright. Let's have a beer.